Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to use an electric kettle to boil water. This will be a super easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, I'm using this electric kettle, which this is a Black & Decker electric kettle, but the process is going to be very, very similar for the majority of the electric kettles that look like these right here. There are other kinds where they don't detach from the base. You just plug them in and then they work themselves with a base included. But I'm specifically going to be addressing these types that have a removable base. So first and foremost, you want to plug the base in. Well, we can actually wait to do that. We can open this up, and on the top here you can see that you can add water. I've already put some water in there, but we're going to put some more. Okay, so you want to add your water into the main housing over there. Close the lid, and there's usually going to be an indicator on the side showing you how much water's in there. So I have just under a liter of water in there. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to plug the base into the wall. So you can see the base has a plug attached to it. We're going to plug it into the wall outlet right there. Now the base has power to it. We're going to take our kettle. We're going to place it on top of the base just like this. And then all that we need to do is take this little lever back here. We need to push it down, and it's going to illuminate. And what's going to happen is it's now heating up the water inside, and eventually the water is going to start to boil. And when the water starts to boil, this should, and like I said, should pop up. And I can't speak to every single kettle that exists, so I do say to watch the kettle, stay there and watch the kettle as it boils the water, and make sure that this does pop up. But basically, when it's done boiling, this should automatically pop up like that. You can also manually shut it off like I showed you right there. But that's it. That's how to turn it on. It's going to go like that. It should go like that by itself when it's done, and you can also manually turn it off. And then your water will be boiled. That's basically it. Like I said, I can't say every electric kettle is going to work like this, but definitely the majority that have a similar type of functionality are going to work like this. There are some other ones that as soon as you plug it into the wall, it's going to immediately start to boil, and there's not going to be an on and off switch. So be aware of that too. And some are not going to have a detachable base. So be aware of that. If your kettle is slightly different, then you might have to take these instructions and just sort of alter them slightly. But that's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.